Ever wonder what cats dream about? Probably world domination and crunchy snacks. Okay, so get this. We're diving deep into the exclusive world of competitive napping, but make it feline. First, you gotta scout the prime real estate. We're talking sunbeams, warm laundry, or even that one spot on the human's keyboard that they desperately need. Snatch it, no hesitation. It's giving CEO of relaxation. Next, master the art of the strategic yawn. It's not just about oxygen intake, it's about asserting dominance. A well-timed yawn can throw off your opponent's nap game entirely. Big yikes for them. But the real game changer? Dream manipulation. Visualize yourself as the undisputed king or queen of naps, surrounded by endless fields of catnip. Project that energy and watch your nap power level go from mid to straight-up fire. Remember, in the world of competitive napping, Delulu is the Solulu. Believe in your nap skills, and you'll be catching Z's like a true champion.